Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday. No turnaround, baby. Well, turnaround in Asia, certainly Europe. Turnaround to the dollar. Disaster. June the 9th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Look at how nice these charts look, people. Brought to you exclusively by me. Dollar index, dollar collapse. U.S. continues to just issue treasuries, raking in the money. Going to have to monetize it soon. Well, 2 years, 5 years, 3 years, whatever. But the bottom line is U.S. is borrowing a exorbitant amount of money, and the dollar certainly reacting to that. Again, I do believe, though, we're going to have a move up. Dollar definitely, in my opinion, going down. But I think it's the three-step. The Texas three-step, baby. Right? Hammer, bullish engulfing, continuation, and reversal. Absolutely. Look, we even had it here, right? Bottom, 1, 2, 3, reversal. I think something like this is going to happen. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. Could we explode up to the upside? Is this breaking out? This head and shoulders pattern I thought is forming, which it is. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We roll over here. It'll still be fine. Neckline, slit your neck. So big level. I think we stall. And I think it's going to be on the U.S. trade balance. I think the U.S. trade balance should be much better than expected. How about that dollar yen call, people? And by the way, as far as premium's concerned, I don't know. My nephew, he still didn't do it. I can't believe it. Never let family members work for you. Just doesn't work. It's in the premium section. So click on premium on globalfxradio.com, and you'll see a spot for the summer special, 3 months, $400. I do apologize. I don't really check. I don't like listening to myself, so I don't really check the website that often, to tell you the truth. Anyway, dollar yen. Dollar yen. Dollar yen. Looking like it's coming down to 97. Bond yields continue to hold up. Gartman thinks dollar yen's still going to 108. Unbelievable 108, huh? He thinks it's going up here. Up here? I think if anything, it stalls at this channel. Listen, we take out this channel line, I'll change my mind. If dollar yen gets to 108, it's the short of a lifetime. I'll tell you that. The short of a lifetime. But if anything, I could see dollar yen again getting to this channel line here at the 101 level. Double top the 101.50. But for now, I think dollar yen also 1, 2, 3, bang, bang, bang. I think 97 should hold. If 97 does not hold, we go to 96.50. Obviously, we take out 96.50, probably 96. Channel line support. I would check the hourly too, but certainly we come down to 95.50 and still be along. So dollar yen, the breakout. Again, that was a beautiful failure. We've seen this before in dollar yen. When it does this little harami day. Bang. Bye-bye. I really hope some of you did well last night. I really do. Sometimes I like when you guys make money more than me. I have to tell you. I get off more in helping you make money. My premium people, Monday, Tuesday, baby. I got to tell you, I'm getting hot. I feel it. Getting hot, baby. I don't know. Those of you that have been waiting, I think now's the time. Take advantage of it, people. Whatever, I'm not going to sell you. You'll come around eventually. All right, sterling dollar. Now, again, the sterling dollar, we're getting long, people. Now, again, tonight's numbers are going to be huge out of London. We do have industrial production, manufacturing, and trade balance out of London. Big numbers. Notice where cable failed. Right at the golden retracement within a couple of pips. Huge. So if cable takes out 63.60, today's high, 63.64, we're going up. And I'm buying on pullbacks. Now, I am a little nervous about this number. I talk about this in depth on globalfxradio.com, so I'm not going to go into it here and waste the time. Too many charts, too many things to talk about anyway. Well, too many charts to show you. But I think the number's going to suck. I think we've had 2 months now almost of good numbers that are coming out of the UK. It's time for some bad numbers. Remember, 3 months changes macroeconomic professors and everyone. 3 months. You can have 1, 2 months. It doesn't create a trend. 3 months of above trend growth, above estimate growth, that is a change in trend. So I don't believe it's going to happen. The number's going to be weaker, and the pound reverses on that big time. I'm hoping that cable pound dollar is higher so we can get short. And then, of course, the trade balance should send the dollar higher as well. So cable going up, I think, again, 64.50, 64.20, and then reverse. Bang. Dollar Canada, for those of you that are bitching about dollar Canada, I love it. I do Dollar Canada all the time on Global FX Radio. I don't know who that was. I think they're from Canada. You loony people. I love you. Anyway, looking at Dollar Canada on the daily chart, shooting star, textbook shooting star, bearish engulfing, and now continuation. I'm looking to get short this a little higher. I actually bought it around 110.10. It was underwater, but I was basically short the dollar, so it was a hedge. You know, those of you that are pissed off about the no hedging rule by the NFA, you know, there's other ways to skin a cat. You can go, you know, you can be short the dollar and go long in other currencies, and you're hedged. You can even do better if you pick the right side of euro sterling. Those of you that are familiar with the market, you know exactly what I mean. Hedging is a joke. You can find another way to do it. All right, sorry. Back to Dollar Canada again. Going lower. One more day. Big spot's going to be this 109.50, one of today's lows. Big spot today at 109.80, but we take that out. Momo. I don't think we're going to, but we certainly could. Let me give you Euro Canada. Big day in Euro Canada. Big reversal. Euro Canada. What the hell? Look at the hammer. Oh, baby. Can you say continuation? I sure could. Look at that. Oh, Fibonacci. Damn it. 157. Why not? 156 looks like a certainty. Let's take a look at Euro Sterling. Remember, if you have any questions about any aspect of what I do, email me at info@globalfxradio.com. Again, I do not have a physical office. I used to have one in New York, and I did one in Fort Lauderdale for a little while where I actually physically was in the same room with you and training you. Everything is online. Everything I do now is online. I enjoy my life too much. You know how hard it is to run a 24-hour-day office with people you really can't even trust? Tough. Try and do it. It ain't easy. Did it in Manhattan for 3 years. So, anyway, I just missed my Bloomberg terminal. That's all. Euro Sterling. Going lower. I'm sorry I missed that shooting star. I really got sucked into that London situation, putting more money in the Chancellor Brown and that whole story. I got diverted. But I think this thing goes lower. 85.50. Bye-bye. And if that's true, cable is going higher. So sterling yen, let's take a look at the daily on that. Ready to explode. Closing, there's a 5-day closing high. Sterling yen looks like it wants to go to the moon, Alice. Fly me to the freaking moon. Oh, damn it, I did it again. I'm long it right now. I'm going to look for trade recs to buy on pullbacks, but, you know, we're up nicely in this. I see no reason to get out of this trade. Flagging, pull, flag, pull. Look at how gorgeous this is. Listen, the whole overboughtness of this move is now gone. We are now becoming basically in the middle of stochastics. Turning up again, hugging the 10 exponential. El Cable to El Mune. But again, I'd say at a minimum is this channel line here. At a minimum. We're looking at 162. I'll take that. That's 300 pips from here. Now on the other side, if we take that out, this channel line, we could be talking at, holy crap, oh, excuse me, 166. If we do a Fibonacci from the meltdown of 250, look where this thing went. I'm sick over this. I should be a gazillionaire. I was short this sucker here. Well, that was my cruise, right? I missed that. The bounce at 240 is where I was short. Cleaned up here, and then this stopped getting involved. Just horrible. Anyway, looking at the monster Fibonacci, from the high of 250 down to the low of this year, 170 is the first retracement. That's how the potential this has. Now, if Dennis Gartman's right, that dollar yen goes to 108, and if cable could continue to grind higher and euro sterling continues to go lower, it's going to happen. Dollar yen's going to be the key for sterling yen to really explode here. Euro yen, another one looks good. We'll long it. I think sterling yen looks much better. But again, holding this whole 135 level is key. Pull, flag, pull coming. Hey, if rates keep going up, maybe that's going to do it. Sterling yen, I'll give you that. I mean, Loonie yen. Sorry, that's for our people in Loonie land. Certainly a doji, certainly a nice reversal here, but again, flagging, looking like it's going higher. Dollar index also looks terrible. There it is. All right, everyone. info@globalfxradio.com. Shooting star, bearish engulfing. Andrew Spanton. Global FX Radio YouTube. The only voice you'll ever need, baby. Have a good night.